Gluten-free bread, keto gluten-free bread. I will tell you the tracks how to make it as a keto, and if you're not keto and low carb, which kind of flour you use. All tracks and so easy recipe. You will make it in 5 minutes. 300 gram almond flour, 6 eggs. Then we have 50 milli of olive oil or quarter cup olive oil or butter, 1 spoon sunflower seed, and 1 spoon of pumpkin seed. This is optional, so you can use it or not. You can use also chia seed, you can use cardamom, you can use whatever seed you like. But very important, 1 spoon of baking powder, almost 8 gram. You mix all. I like to put salt. Salt is 8 gram or 1 spoon. It's up to you. The salt you can increase or you can reduce. But very important, baking powder. As you see, you mix it all very well for 1 minute. Then you added liquid. You can add it water, 50 milli. You can add it fresh cream if you are keto. If you're not keto and only gluten-free, you can use any kind of liquid you have. Milk or lactose-free milk. Then I put all the quantity in one, we call it English cake mold. This mold or any type of mold you like. You shake it to take the bubble out. Then you added 1 spoon, any seed you wish. You can say sesame, black sesame, whatever you like. It's just optional. In this time, I reheat the oven already at least 10 minutes before I bake. Very important step, your oven is really hot before you bake any kind of bread, even dessert, because this give a nice texture. When you add it, it will not be dense. 170 Celsius for 50 minutes. Exactly 50 minutes, maximum 55 minutes, and you have your amazing gluten-free bread. You will be so excited to test it with almond. Also, you can use any type of gluten-free flour, rice flour, sesame flour, peanut flour, any type of gluten-free. And as you see, is wow. It's just wow bread. You wait until cool down and then you slice it. You can make it sandwich. You can bake it again as a biscuit. One of the best bread. You will have this recipe in your special diary. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmed Yunis, waiting you. Next video, write to me what you would like to learn in my channel.